20 push-up every day. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Doing push-ups every day can help increase your upper body strength, especially in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Improved core stability. Push-ups require a strong core to maintain proper form and stability during the exercise. When you do push-ups, your abdominal muscles, lower back muscles, and hip muscles work together to keep your body in a straight line. This helps improve your core stability and can also benefit your posture. Regularly performing push-ups can help strengthen your core muscles, making them more resilient to injury and improving your overall balance and stability. Additionally, incorporating variations of push-ups, such as side plank push-ups or Spider-Man push-ups, can further challenge your core muscles and improve your stability. Improved cardiovascular health. While push-ups are not typically considered a cardiovascular exercise, they can still provide some benefits for your heart and lungs. When you do push-ups, your heart rate increases and you breathe faster, which can improve your cardiovascular health over time. Moreover, doing push-ups quickly or with added intensity, such as with clap push-ups or burpee push-ups, can turn them into a form of cardiovascular exercise. This can help increase your heart rate and breathing rate even more, leading to greater improvements in your cardiovascular health. Reduced risk of injury. Performing push-ups regularly can help reduce the risk of injury in various ways. Strengthening muscles. Push-ups primarily work the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but they also engage other muscles such as the core, glutes, and legs. When these muscles are strong, they can help support and protect your joints, reducing the risk of injury. Improving stability. Push-ups require good body alignment and stability to perform correctly. When you do push-ups regularly, you improve your overall stability, which can reduce the risk of falls and other types of injuries. Increasing flexibility. Push-ups require a certain degree of flexibility in the chest, shoulders, and upper back. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.